Good morning, all. This is Karthik Manj from Chennai. I've done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Bharat University. I possess around 14 years of hospitality and NGO experience. Apart from it, I possess around close to 8 to 9 years of corporate professional experience as well. My skills are data management, man management, business operations, strategic development, and data analysis. My major strengths are creating good rapport with the clients, client management, and customer service. My major weakness is that I trust everyone. Coming to my role on business operation director. Being a director of operations, my major responsibility will be overseeing day-to-day operations and strategize the plans for the business and make sure that all processes are streamlined and ensure a hassle-free operational stuff in the company, so that all the top chief executives and the board will have a clear clarity on what is happening in the organization. Apart from it, I have great contacts with a lot of corporates, and to be precise, the corporate CSR activities where they share around 2% to 38% of their profit to CSR activities. And to be precise, the last financial year of 2020 and 2021, in India, the CSR contribution racked up to 8,828.21 crores from 1,619 registered companies. This includes corporates and other MSMEs as well. So, a lot of money the companies are spending towards CSR activities, and my major responsibility will be to increase the donations and revenue to the organization. And to increase the revenue, we need to directly reach the top chief executives of major corporates. Since I have around 10 years of experience in corporate experience, I have a lot of corporate companies, the CEOs, all the contacts I could source and reach them at ease, and by then I could bring in a lot of donations as well. I truly believe that I could definitely be a greatest asset to the company and add value to it.